Handling price objection. How to handle the objection of price. When we are into selling, when we are into business, we see that price objection is very common. And it is right to say that price objection is into every sale. Yeah. In this video, I will tell you how to handle the objection of price like a pro. Hi, my name is Himanshu Mittal and I am a sales coach. Before jumping on to how to handle the price objection, let us try to understand why there is a price objection. Why people give you objection of price? Why people say your price is too high? Yeah. So let us see sales as a process. Selling is an exchange between two parties, between the salesperson and the buyer. It is an exchange of commodities. Like a salesperson is saying to the client that, hey Mr. Client, I am exchanging something that I have that is important for you in exchange of something that you have that is important for me. I repeat, salesperson says to the client that, hey Mr. Prospect, I am exchanging something that I have that is important for you in exchange of something that you have that is important for me. For example, you are selling some software, right? So you are saying that I have the software, you have the money, let us exchange both the things. So this exchange should be very smooth. This exchange is very clear and very short and crisp. Then why there is a space for price objection? Where is the vacuum? The space is when client see that the value of your product is lower than the price you are charging. Now it is your job, it is your duty to showcase to the client that why your product is having much higher value than the price you are charging. How will you do it? Now I will tell you. So you will do it in the presentation part. When you are presenting your product, when you are giving presentation, you will showcase the problem you are solving. You have to showcase that your product is solving a bigger problem that the customer is anticipating. For example, you are into medical industry, right? And customer comes in for a knee replacement. Then you will showcase that you are solving a bigger problem, that is a joint pain, that is a bigger problem than the money you are charging. And this is how the medical industry runs, right? So this is how you need to understand as a salesperson, no matter in which industry you are. For example, let's take example of iPhone. What is the problem iPhone is solving? It is solving a problem of calling? No, people can call from a cheaper mobile also. Is it solving a problem of camera? No, people have camera in cheaper mobiles also. It is solving a problem of status symbol. Somebody says it is solving a problem of good software. It is I don't have any virus in my phone. So for different people it is solving different problems. Now you have to understand from your client what is the problem they are facing or they want to solve. This happened during the presentation. You have to ask right set of questions. You have to prepare right set of questions. You have to have answers for those questions, and you have to justify. You have to showcase why and how your product is having much more value than the price you are charging. So now this is number one, right? This you will do during the presentation, but still you will face the price objection, isn't it? Some clients still tell you that your price is quite high. Why should not we go into negotiation? Now, how to handle it? It is very important. One advice I want to give you in this video is do not disagree with your client. When your client say your price is too high and you say no sir, it's not, what are you doing? You are not being agreeable with the client. You are disagreeing with them. So sales is an agreement between two parties, right? And how can you expect other person to agree with you when you disagree with them? So whatever your client says, whatever, he's not right? He's not correct. But whatever the client says, whatever the client tell you, you should agree with him, right? Your client says your price is too high, you would say, yes sir, I know it's too high. Then you will add your sentences, right? Then you will add your view, or then you will add the thing which you want client to see. I know sir is too high. I want you to look at this part also. I want you, or you would say that why don't you consider that it is solving this problem for you, something like that. Come up with your answers depending upon the industry, depending upon the product or services. You should come up with your own answers and what is working for you, perfectly. So for me, it works every time. When clients say your price is too high, I always say, I know sir is too high, but it is solving you this problem. So this is how it happens, right? I hope this helps. I hope you will implement this. You will not only learn this, you will implement it and you will get some amazing results. Let me know what have you learned from this video. Please put them down in the chat and like the video and share it with your friends. I would invite you to join my Facebook community. I will drop in my Facebook group link. Join Facebook group and let us learn and become sales master. Signing off, your friend Himanshu Mittal. Bye bye.